In this video, I am going to show you how to add a contact form to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is the contact page of our Wix website and today we are going to add a contact form to it. So to do this, open your Wix website editor and now from the left menu just click on pages and menu and then select contact page. So now we are on the contact us page. To add a form to our Wix website, from the top we are going to click on add elements button and here we have an option for contact and forms, so we are going to select it and here we will see multiple types of forms that we can use on our Wix website. You can check them out by scrolling down. I want to add this first contact us form to my page, so I am going to drag this to my page. Now let's customize this form according to our own choice. So at first we will change the section size. Now if you want to add a new field to your form, just click on add new field. I want to add phone field to my form. So next to this phone field we will see this plus button. So we are going to click on it and it will be added to our form. Now I want to place this phone field next to this email field. So I am going to decrease the size of this email field. So I am going to select it and now decrease the size of this email field. After that I am going to drag it to the top and decrease its size. Now I will hold this submit button and move it to the top and this thanks for submitting text. Now we are going to see how we can do the settings for our form. So we are going to select our form and next to it we will see an option for form settings. So at first we have an option view submission table. So if I click on it, it will take me to the backend of my website. Or from your Wix website dashboard, you can click on communications and then click on forms and submissions. And here you will see all the form submissions. And also here you will see all the contact form fields. So whenever someone will submit our form, we will receive all our submissions here. Now we are going to close it from the top. After that we are going to click on settings. You can change the name of your contact form from here. After that just click on email notifications. And here you will see an email on which all the notifications will be sent whenever someone will submit the form. Also you can set new notifications from here. So these are the most important settings of the Wix forms. Check out some other settings as well, like settings for the submit message, payments, conditions, contact, automations, email marketing and support. So this is how you can add a contact form to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.